What if it's Cameron? What if you like princess wrapping cookies? It says to Maddie, love Poppy and
more cards.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That's to take to Tahoe so you guys can color, and Maddie has a princess one.
Oh, you just poked yourself in the face? Wow, you're gonna have so much stuff to color.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh god, this is too funny.
This is for Poppy and Gigi.
That's for you,
Now just pull it off, Madison. Just slide it off. Slide it off. There you go.
Yay!
That needs to just go home with all your presents. That will just go home with you.
Baby, Cam, come pick this stuff up. Come pick this stuff up so it doesn't get thrown away accidentally.
Okay, who's dead?
And we have
Who's dead?
other beer without mine, regular.
That on top of that one. So the box.
Here, give that to Gigi and she can help you take it off. Okay?
That's it.
Oh, look at what Maddie's opening.
What else is, you know, and other things.
Just fill a cup of ale.
Do you know what that is?
Maddie, look what we got you!
Look right here.
Look, but then it
It's
seemed
gonna be
like
princess bed.
there was very little excitement around here.
And I'll just show you mine!
Yay!
I think it's mine! I'm gonna show you mine!
To make Bloody Marys.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Champagne punch, but
I can still make it if everyone wants to get
that's what
liquored
I say.
up.
We didn't seem, and Heather kind of went, she wasn't going to do that.
Courtney.
Drink.